Alright, so today we got our fuel rail all tightened up. Flex fuel gauge, flex fuel gauge is in. I put it in the return. Got the 8AN going all the way back. That's my flex fuel gauge wires. I need to go on and get them wired up still. But it's all in. Fuel rail is in. Go ahead and show you underneath. I'm still going to put some ties in here, but I don't got any yet. So right now the line is just sitting in here, but alright, so that's the return line and the feed line. Then I got my junction for my two pumps go in. And I got my pumps mounted. They go up to filters, two of them, two Russell filters. My return goes up through here. That's a bolt if you're wondering why there's two holes. But yeah, everything's in there. Now I'm gonna wire my pumps, wire my flex fuel sensor, and then we should be good to crank this bitch up. Anyway, let me show you the fuel cell. We mounted it, put some little spacers on it. It's rock solid. Fuel lines go out, return comes in. I'm gonna put a breather on that side so it can vent.